Okay, here's a little demonstration of this genuine BT telephone from the 1970s stroke 80s. Just show first of all that the dial, because these often go, the dials, but you can see that is working exactly as it should. Let's do the 0 because that's the one that goes all the way around. Nice and clean. But let me dial the telephone number so you can hear the sound of the bell, and this should take you back to the 1970s and 80s. Let's see if this works. What a lovely sound. That is working exactly as it always used to. So hopefully that shows that is working exactly as you would expect.